The tech world is abuzz with the latest innovation that's set to revolutionize the way we work and play. Can you imagine a device so versatile, so powerful, and so reliable that it becomes an indispensable companion to your dynamic lifestyle? That's exactly what Lenovo has accomplished with the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5, a game-changing two-in-one laptop that's not only a beast of a machine, but also a master of adaptability. In today's fast-paced world, we're facing an unprecedented level of complexity. Our personal and professional lives are increasingly intertwined, demanding more from our technology than ever before. We need devices that can keep up with our changing needs, that can effortlessly switch between roles, and that can seamlessly integrate into our workflows. The ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 addresses this very problem. By delivering ultra-powerful performance and two-in-one versatility, it provides the perfect solution for the modern user who requires flexibility and reliability. From the moment you unbox the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5, you're struck by its sleek and sturdy design. The magnesium alloy construction feels solid and premium, and the X360-degree hinge allows you to effortlessly transition between four modes: laptop, yoga, flip, and tablet. This level of flexibility would be impressive in a standalone product, but Lenovo has taken it to the next level by incorporating the latest technologies. Let's start with the Intel Core Ultra 5 125U processor, a powerhouse that combines 12 cores with a whopping 96 cores. This configuration offers unparalleled performance for everyday computing, content creation, and even casual gaming. Paired with 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD, this laptop is a true speed demon, capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. But it's not just about the speed, it's also about the intelligence. The ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to optimize performance, ensure seamless multitasking, and provide real-time insights into system health. With AI Boost, you can expect better battery life, improved system stability, and enhanced overall performance. One of the standout features of this device is its stunning FHD Plus touchscreen display. Measuring 13.3 inches, it offers an immersive experience with vibrant colors, crisp text, and razor-sharp images. The touchscreen is incredibly responsive, making it perfect for creative work, presentations, and interactive learning. But what really sets the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 apart is its robust security features. Fingerprint recognition, IR webcam, and Thunderbolt 4 connectivity provide multiple layers of protection, ensuring your data stays safe and secure. In the real world, the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 delivers spectacular results. During my testing, I used it for a variety of tasks, from video editing and 3D modeling to web development and data analysis. The laptop handled each task with aplomb, never once showing signs of slowing down or lagging behind. In terms of battery life, I was pleasantly surprised to find that the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 lasted an impressive 8 hours on a single charge. This is particularly impressive given its compact and lightweight design, making it the perfect companion for long trips, meetings, and working sessions. However, no device is perfect, and the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 has its limitations. While it's incredibly powerful, the battery life could be longer, and the keyboard, while comfortable, could benefit from better backlighting. Additionally, the laptop's durability, while excellent, might not withstand the toughest of abuse. When compared to competing options, the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 stands head and shoulders above the competition. Its unique blend of performance, versatility, and design makes it an ideal choice for professionals, students, and creatives who demand more from their devices. So, if you're looking for a device that can match your dynamic lifestyle, look no further than the ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5. With its impressive feature set, robust security, and incredible performance, it's the perfect companion for anyone seeking flexibility, reliability, and innovation. Don't just take my word for it. Experience the Lenovo ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 for yourself. Visit Lenovo's website or your local authorized retailer to get your hands on this incredible device. The ThinkPad L13 Yoga G5 is an investment in your future, and I'm confident you'll love it just as much as I do.